Do you realize the full potential of WhatsApp? Well, it's not just about sending text messages or making calls. This handy application has a plethora of features that can elevate your communication experience to new heights. Stick around to uncover all the gems hidden within WhatsApp. Dive right into the world of WhatsApp, starting with the basic yet essential feature, text messaging. Type out your thoughts, emotions, or just a simple hello and hit send. It's as easy as that. But did you know? You can also format your texts, make them bold, italic, or strike through. Just put an asterisk before and after the text for bold, underscore for italics, and tilde for strike through. Moving on to voice and video calls. Need to hear a familiar voice or see a loved one's face? WhatsApp has got you covered. Tap on the call icon, choose voice or video, and there you are, connected across miles instantly. Next, we have group chats and calls. Gather all your friends or family in one place, create a group, add members, and enjoy endless conversations. And not just text, you can also make group voice or video calls. Just tap on the call icon in the group chat and select the members to include in the call. Now let's talk about status updates. Want to share your day's highlights or a thought that's lingering in your mind? Put it up as your status and it will disappear after 24 hours. You can upload text, photos, videos, and even GIFs. Did you know WhatsApp also has a document sharing feature? Yes, indeed. Share documents, spreadsheets, PDFs, presentations, and more in just a few taps. Go to the attachment icon, select documents, and choose the file you want to send. Then there's the location sharing feature. Lost or trying to explain your whereabouts to someone? Share your live location or a specific place directly through WhatsApp. Tap on the attachment icon, select location, and choose to share live location or a specific place. Last but not least, WhatsApp has a feature called WhatsApp Web. Want to use WhatsApp on your computer? Open web.whatsapp.com on your computer, scan the QR code with your phone, and voila, you have WhatsApp on your computer screen. And there you have it, the complete guide to using WhatsApp. From basic text messaging enriched with formatting options, voice and video calls, group chats and calls, to status updates, document sharing, location sharing, and even a desktop version with WhatsApp Web. The power of WhatsApp lies not just in its connectivity, but also in its diversity of features. So go ahead, explore, and make the most of this incredible tool. Happy texting. Before we wrap up, there's just one more thing we'd like to remind you. If you found this video helpful and want to make sure you never miss out on our future comprehensive guides, please take a moment to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring more quality content your way. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.